My top 3 character strengths. The first strength I picked of mine out of the 5 that I got from the VIA survey was kindness, which falls under the virtue of humanity. Kindness to me means being generous and considerate and showing concern for others. I chose kindness as one of my top character strengths because I strive every day to show as much kindness as I can. No act of kindness is wasted. One kind word or gesture can change someone's entire day, and knowing that makes me happy and is a daily goal of mine. The positive correlates that relate to me are overall mental and physical health and longevity. The next strength I chose was forgiveness, which falls under the virtue of temperance. Forgiveness means to be accepting of things and situations and be able to let go. I chose this as a top 3 for me because forgiveness is something that comes easy to me. I don't hold grudges and choose to be free of any negativity. In order to do that, you have to be able to forgive and let go. The positive correlates for that one are lower levels of anger, agreeableness, and zero hostility. The third was teamwork, which falls under the virtue of justice. Teamwork to me means being dedicated and reliable to those around me in many different circumstances, like at work or even at home. Working as a team can be very beneficial to all things. It helps reduce stress and can also make it to where you reach your short-term or long-term goals quickly. My husband and I work as a team daily, and it helps make our household successful. The positive correlates with that are social trust and positive view of human nature. When I did the VIA survey, I was not surprised by my results. If anything, it reminded me my strong suits and how important it is to recognize what your best character strengths are. I think all 3 of my top character strengths will come in handy in my future career. It is important to show kindness to everyone. It's important to forgive and let go so there's not too much negativity. And teamwork is so important in any career that you do. Effective teams increase efficiency, they improve communication, and can all around maximize each other's strengths, and you can build off one another to be even more successful.